Hello learners, so welcome to my channel for Neet aspirants, and here we are going to discuss the topics related to Neet biology, and we will discuss the concepts regarding the questions. Okay, so what we are going to see here, the questions related to the double circulatory system. Okay, so see here, one of the question that is related to double circulation is what? A unique vascular connection between the digestive tract and liver is called. Okay, so basically they are asking about a vascular connection between the digestive tract and liver, and the options given here are hepatocystic system, hepatopancreatic system, hepatic portal system, and renal portal system. Okay, so if we see this about digestive tract and liver, so just mark the common word what is written here, the digestive tract and the liver. Okay, now see one thing, if they are talking about digestive tract, yeah, just a digestive tract and liver. So digestive tract involve what? The small intestine, stomach and large intestine system, and liver also known as the hepatic system. Okay, hepatic system we can say. So if we see this two term, the correct option related to it will be the C option, that is a hepatic portal system. Okay, this system we can say this was the correct option here. Okay, now we will study about the hepatic portal system, what it is and how it works. Okay, so the see the NCRT line what is given here. If you see, the systemic circulation provide nutrient O2 and other essential substances to the tissues and takes CO2 and other harmful substance away for elimination. So just mark this point what it's written here. The systemic circulation include, if we see, systemic circulation, that means what we can say, the circulation involve the heart, we can say heart circulation, like the deoxygenated blood taken from the body and then transferred to lung, and then from there the oxygenated blood just transferred to the body and different tissues we can say. Okay, now see one thing, it's written here, a unique vascular connection. This line if you see, a unique vascular connection exist between the digestive tract and the liver called the hepatic portal system. So this was asked in your question, that hepatic portal system, a unique vascular connection exists between the digestive tract and liver. Okay, so this vascular connection is between the liver and the digestive tract, comprises of the intestine. Okay, so next line what it's written here, the hepatic portal vein carry blood from the intestine to the liver. So basically the organ involved are, if we talk about the organs, the organ involved are liver and intestine. Okay, then they have said what, before it is delivered to the systemic circulation, that means the blood from the intestine goes towards the liver, and after that it will transfer to the systemic circulation, that is to the heart. A special coronary system of blood vessel is present in our body exclusively for the circulation of blood to and from the cardiac musculature. So basically, the special coronary system of blood vessel which is related to our cardiac system, that leads to circulation of blood. So this is about the NCRT line. Now we can also understand it with a more clearer explanation. See this line. What is a portal system? A system of vessel in which blood, after passing through one capillary bed, is conveyed through a second set of capillary before it returns to the systemic circulation. It pertains especially to the hepatic portal system. So basically what they are trying to say, that one capillary bed is the intestine and the other capillary bed is the liver we can say. So blood from the intestine transferred to the liver, and then from there it will leads to the heart. Okay. So this is a portal system. Now see one more line written here. The hepatic portal system is a unique circulatory system that connects two systems of the capillary bed, one in sinusoidal area of the liver and other in the wall of the small intestine. So the most important line is here. What we can underline here, one in the sinusoidal area of the liver and other in the wall of the small intestine we can say. Okay, then they have said what, its flow of blood to the liver is unique because it receives both deoxygenated and oxygenated blood. So they are trying to say what, that the flow of blood from the intestine to the liver contains what, both the deoxygenated and the oxygenated blood. Therefore, the partial pressure of oxygen and pressure in the portal vein are lower than in the organ of the body. Okay, through the sinusoids of the liver, blood passes from the branches of the portal vein, then blood flow from the branches of the hepatic artery, as well as mixes in the sinusoids to supply oxygen to the liver. This mixture percolates through the sinusoids and it is called collected in a central vein that drains into the hepatic vein. Then they have said, next the hepatic vein drain into the inferior vena cava. See this line. What they are trying to say here? Yeah. And it is collected in a central vein that drains into the hepatic vein. The hepatic vein drains into the inferior vena cava. So what they are trying to say, the deoxygenated oxygenated blood with the absorbed nutrient goes inside the liver, and then from that liver they transfer it to the inferior vena cava. Okay, the portal vein supplies 80% of the blood, whereas the hepatic artery is responsible for the remaining 20%. So basically it's clear about what it's said here. Okay, so the hepatic portal system is including the two capillary bed of the intestine and the liver. Now we will see through a diagram here. See here, this diagram. This is the liver and this part is of intestine, the whole part. Okay, and this portion if we see, this is the portal vein, that is the spatial connection between the intestine and liver without the connection of the heart. Okay, so this is a structure regarding the portal system. We can also understand it with this system. Now you can see intestine. The small intestine absorb product of digestion. Then the nutrient molecule travel in the hepatic portal vein to the liver. So this vein is comprising the hepatic portal vein and connected it to the liver. Liver monitors the blood content. Blood enters general circulation by the way of the hepatic vein, which empty into the inferior vena cava. Now see one thing, this inferior vena cava. Okay, if we talk about this inferior vena cava, what does they do? The inferior vena cava just carry out the blood from the different parts of the lower parts of the body to the auricle for oxygenation. Okay, so what we can write here, carries deoxygenated blood from lower parts of the body to heart. Okay, now this hepatic portal system is already conveyed to you. I hope this is clear to you regarding this. So the hepatic portal system is one of the system that is present inside a human body, and that is a spatial connection between the intestine and the liver with the portal veins. Okay, now see one more question regarding this hepatic portal vein is present here. The hepatic portal vein drains the blood to liver from where? So options given are heart, kidney, stomach and intestine. So after discussing the whole hepatic system, which is comprises of the two capillary bed of the intestine and the liver, the answer should be D. Okay, so we will go with which option? The D option. Fine. I hope this is clear to you.